ECDL Advanced, Excel, Lesson 7, Paste Special. When using copy and paste, or cut and paste, the default is to paste the cell exactly as it was originally. Paste Special is used to paste cell information when a complete copy is not required. For example, Paste Special can paste only formulas, values or formats. So a use for that might be pasting values from cells that contain formulas is a way of fixing the data, as it will never then be recalculated. Secondly, we can combine ranges using an operation, for example adding, subtracting, etc. We can transpose ranges, in other words, to change a spreadsheet round by converting rows to columns or columns to rows. We can also paste links to the original data. Now that we're going to cover in a later section. Okay, for the purposes of this lesson, please open the workbook Finances, which I have on the screen, and highlight the range A1 to N1. Change the range to italic and the font color to blue. To paste this formatting to another range, click the cell A1 and in the Home tab, look for the clipboard group and click the Copy button. Then highlight the range A2 to A16 and select the Paste drop-down arrow. That's over here. Now you'll see that many paste options are displayed in the drop-down panel. Place the cursor over each in turn and read the tooltip. So for example, we have Paste, Paste Values and other paste options, and within Paste we've got Regular Paste, Just Formulas, Formulas and Number Formatting, etc. For the purposes of this exercise, at the bottom select Paste Special to display the Paste Special dialog box. This will include all the listed options in its own dialog box. In the Paste section, select the Formats option and click OK to paste the formatting. So now we'll see that the cell border from A1 is pasted as well. Next, let's remove the unwanted borders to match those in column B. So let's just go back. Next, open the workbook Outgoings. Select the range A1 to L10 and click on the Copy button. Next, click on the Excel button down on the taskbar and select the Finances workbook to make it active. Click on cell B5. Click the Paste button to paste the contents normally. Data can be pasted using a mathematical operation. Open the workbook Income and highlight the range A1 to L2. These are the income figures. Click the Copy button. Switch back to Finances using the taskbar. The income figures are to go into the range B2 to M3, but this range already contains data which would be overwritten if a normal paste was used. To keep the original data, select cell B2, then click the Paste drop-down, select Paste Special, Under Operation, click Add to add the two sets of figures together, and then click OK. The data is now combined. So we've used the add operation in this example. Subtract, multiply and divide work in precisely the same way. Next, it may be required to convert formulas to values because the numbers are final. For example, a VAT return or expenditure after the month end, etc. Using the Finances workbook, so let's open that one. January has ended, and the figures in column B are to be converted to values. Let's just have a look. The cell B4 contains formulas, the formula over here. B15 contains a formula, and B16 also contains a formula. Okay, select the range B2 to B16, click Copy, then click the Paste drop-down and select Paste Special. Under Paste, select the Values option, then click OK. If we check now, we should find that the cells B4, B15 and B16 no longer contain formulas, they now contain values. So let's have a look. B4, it's just a number. B15, it's just a number. And B16, again, just a number. Okay, let's save this workbook as Finances 2 and then close it. With regard to the other two workbooks, income and outgoings, those can be closed without saving. Okay, I hope that's in some way been enlightening and that you're able to use some of these features in the future. Okay, look forward to seeing you for the next lesson when we'll be discussing transposing data. Okay, look forward to seeing you then.